Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this a simple case, pencil case or hook case. This is very easy to make, and I think you are a beginner or also expert can make it, and you can make it as a gift for your friends. And also this is very easy to make, and I think you will love it. This is really cute and I love it, and I hope you love it too. Without wasting your time, let us make it. I used two yarn, small yarn, and also milk cotton yarn with 4 ply here, and also I use hook, silver hook here with 6 size, and also I use scissor and also needle and marker for this tutorial. Usual, make a slip knot like this, and then you work with 90 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Keep continue until you get 90 chain like this. Already in my 90 chain like this, and now we will work for the first row. Skip for the first chain like this, and then make half double crochet for all of the chain. Okay, make it like this. So keep make half double crochet until to the end of this chain. You should have 89 of half double crochet after you reach end of this stitch. So this is the end of my first row. I will work for the last stitch here. Make a half double crochet and bring this yarn to the back. Okay, this is the normal half double crochet for the first row, and now we start to make a second row. Add 1 chain and then work with half double crochet like this. But this is a back loop, so usually we work with 2 loop like this, but now we will work with 1 loop like this. Okay, whatever you work with second row or first row, in total you should get 89 stitch for all each of rows. So just keep working with half double crochet in back loop from the second row until to the row that you want. For me, I will make it for some of rows, and then after I already complete it, I will come again and see to you. Just repeat this half double crochet until to the end of stitch here. So this is the end of my rows. I use 9 rows here, and now I will measure it. This length is 33 for total, and the height here I use 6 centimeter. And now I will try to put my pen here, and also my hook, and also pen here, and then hold like this. So the symbol of this case should be like this when I pull it. Here, before I join it, I will take marker here, and then put it like this. And in other side, I will use the same way. Here and here. This is after I fold it. In here, I will left for 12 stitch here, and then it should be fit for pouch, pen or hook like this. And after that, you cut this, the remaining yarn, and then we will work from here and here first. This is the way I hide my remaining yarn. Put it like this, and then cut this, or you can hide it in the another form here. Now I will work for this side first, and then I will take this marker and also for the pen and hook here. Take your hook and then put it to here, to the first stitch in this form, and then bring this new one and make one chain first like this, and then make one single crochet in the same stitch here. Now move to the next with single crochet. Before of that, bring this remaining yarn with your single crochet, so it will be hidden in the back. Okay, move to the next. Like this. So when you do this single crochet, you should bring four loop here. This is 2. From here you should bring 2, and here you should bring 2. So move to the next until you reach off end of this case. So the end of here. So just repeat it, single crochet each in here in this loop. So already in the end of this stage, and then I will add one single crochet here, and then add one slip stitch again. Okay, and this remain yarn you need to cut it and hide it to the back like this. This is how I hide my remain yarn here. Bring it to the back like this, and then hide it as usual. Now we will work for this side. Take your hook and then make one chain as before. Here. So this is the corner of this, and then make a one chain. This one. Okay. Now make a one single crochet in the same stitch. Now work for another stitch here. Same as before, bring this remind yarn to make your work is secure. Just repeat this pattern until you are already in the end of this stitch as the place of marker here. I almost in the end of my stitch, and now this is the simple form of my pencil case or hook case. Now just keep make single crochet here until to the end of the stitch or in marker. Okay, take your marker here and then make a last single crochet here. Now make a slip stitch here, the last, and then cut this remaining yarn. So here the way I hide this remaining yarn in the side, bring it to the back like this, and then pull your yarn. I want to adding some of the yarn here, but with different yarn. In here, I choose to use a white yarn, and then work from this side. So you look at this, just took yarn here, make chain, and then make a single crochet, this, and then work again with single crochet, and next with single crochet again, single crochet again, and single crochet again. Just calculate to make single crochet for each of loop here, from here until to here. So this is the look of my pencil case. If you want, you can add clip button in the top, make it become cute, and also add some bow to make it more good. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to click thumb in below and subscribe me to get new tutorial from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.